Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Mustang, guys, and you need to remove or replace the steering wheel airbag. We'll demonstrate on a 2018 Mustang, but probably it should cover that procedure for that generation 6G and probably years. I'm talking about maybe 2018 to currently year 2022, guys. So stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. Now before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. For any of you guys that need to buy any parts tools for Ford Mustang or any car and you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from and you can save quite a bit of money. So with that being said, okay, we want to explain exactly how everything works, guys. This is, okay, the airbag right here. First, if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbags, don't do it, they can kill you. So consider this entertaining video, not a how-to video. Second, you need to disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour before, guys, okay, messing with airbags, so the system can discharge. Third, on these modern cars, it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect. First, if you do it the wrong way, you can cause damage to the electrical system as well, guys. So we have the battery disconnected, but the airbag exploded already, so practically that's out of the question. But now we want to show you, okay, what we have here. You will be accessing, I'll show you step by step how to remove it. Make sure to stay until the end. But I want to show you what we will be doing first. You'll be accessing two little holes from the side of the steering wheel. Okay, check it out. You come to the side, right here next to the paddle shifters. Okay, and Allen wrench will be your best thing. I'm using a torque wrench, which is not so convenient, but it still works. And you have one more hole, okay, on this side. Now, I want to show you guys, okay, when I get that that wrench inside here, there is one spring that you need to kind of like release. Okay, so you kind of like need to pry a little bit to the back. Okay, so the front tip can go, okay, the tip can go to the front, because otherwise you'll go past the spring, so you need to go like right here, you can see. Now the airbag will be stuck there because, okay, that will be holding it, but you will need to kind of like push it in a little bit and then do the spring. So I'm going to go install it, okay, and show you exactly, guys, okay, exactly how to do that. So okay, let's go ahead. Okay, I'm going to push it in. Okay, you hear the spring, perfect. Now let me show you now what we need to do. Right here we come in an angle. I'm going to push the airbag in a little bit. I'll find the spring, you kind of like feel it. It can slip on you. Okay, and it came out. Now the same thing on this side. Kind of like feel the spring, push against it. Okay, trying to find it there now. Let me see where that thing went, because it's a little bit tricky, guys. Okay. Okay, it came out, guys, right there. You can see it came out. That's how we do it. It's tricky because that spring can easily, okay, come off. Now the airbag wires, okay, unfortunately those will not be able to show you, but usually what you need to do, okay, you will grab that orange piece and pry it straight up. Okay, don't use metal tools when you do that. Usually you can do it with your fingers, okay, or with plastic prying tools, because you can explode the airbags. Ours will not come off probably because everything melted, guys. Check it out. Everything practically melted due to the fact that that airbag exploded, and as a result it got too hot and it melted the wires. But you pull that orange thing up, then all you're going to do, okay, grab them, don't twist, okay, and just pull them straight up, okay, and they'll come out, and you need to disconnect, okay, couple more wires and you're ready to go, guys. You can see that's how you remove it, but the disconnecting part is the one that's really tricky on those. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.